Okay, I'm gonna make tamarind stew. This is 95% less seed tamarind from Thailand. I'm gonna make stew or juice drink for the morning to losing weight or give you a lot of fiber and you clean up your body. Get up in the morning, you clean up and you drink at night. One shot in the morning, one shot before you go to sleep. And when you take this, like I said, you will go to the bathroom, clean out everything you have. You just feel so good in your body. I'm gonna share with you when I start making this one. Okay, right now I am dropping the pot, and this is all tamarind. I'm boiling them to melting down so I can filter and get all the juice out and put in a container, and then you can take a shot to drink. One shot in the morning, one shot before go to sleep. This is awesome. I'm gonna share with you guys. Okay, this is make you losing weight 2019. We're gonna take care of our body. If you really want this tamarind, the good quality, you go to Thailand market. Go to Thai market because they have the better one. I will show you later. I come back to show you later after I dance. I'm gonna add some more water. Make more juice. More water, more juice because they very sour. So just go ahead and add some more. Okay, I am done. I'm done boiling this. I'm gonna go ahead and filter. It's a lot. This one right here is very natural. If you eat this a lot, oh my God, you're gonna stay younger. And this is like a medicine to me. It's fix your joint pain and stay younger and a lot of vitamin C. You don't believe it, you just look up Google, see what's benefit tamarind to you. So Google and take a look at what they say. What I did, I just smash it down, try to filter, see it go down to the bottom. It's not a lot of juice, but it's enough for you for 1 week or 2 weeks something. Try to do this and make the juice going down. Okay, here I just finished filter. Now I'm going to transform to over here. I can cool down, put it in the refrigerator and take a shot. Morning one shot and before I go to sleep a shot. So this is a natural fiber and vitamin C, everything in there is vitamin. It's a medicine. So you want to losing weight 2019, drink this. I'm going to share with you in a minute. I'm going to share with you. Take a shot. Put more shot. Remember that when you drink this before you go to sleep. If you stay home, you do it. If you don't stay home, don't do it. Go to bathroom. Here you go, share. Share. Ooh, drink for your health. Tamarind juice, you guys. It's nothing better than this. This is natural medicine. You want to lose weight? Go for it. Let's go.